welcome back to Fishing Life. We're gonna catch the Donkey Lobsters and the Stinking Marine. Let's catch it. We need crankbait. And over here, this one. Over here. This one. So, we're gonna catch something yung big, yung mabig na laki na fish natin na fish, not that one guy, not the guy. Where is he? I can't see him. Oh no! You need sinker?
Yeah.
You need sinker to catch that? You need sinker? Like, oh no, I'm straight by big fishes. I'm straight by small fishes. Oh no, I don't. No. I want the helicopter. I want the helicopter. I want that. I want the helicopter. Not that guy. Oh, I don't like this one. I'll bake this fish. On that one. Both are trying to catch the most expensive fish. We are trying to catch the most expensive fish. So we need let's start the game. Sinker pa. Don't buy more. I want sinker. I want sinker. I want sinker. Want sinker po. Sinker. Is that sinker? I don't have sinker. Papa, I don't have sinker pa. I can. I need sinker.
Hindi na kailangan ng sinker. Okay na yan. Makukuha na yun. Oh.
Look. We're going to catch. Oh no, I don't want the box fish. I don't want. No, please don't bite small fishes. No, I don't like this one. I will bake this. We have it already in the aquarium. Hey buddy, do you want some sinker? Oh, we need sinker po. Sinker, I don't want those fish. I don't like small fish. I don't like that one. I don't like. No, don't bite seahorse. No.
Sayang.
I don't want. Oh, I don't like big fishes.
Later na makukuha mo.
I can't. I don't. I want the Donkey Lobsters and the Skeleton Marine. Let's catch them. I don't like small. Hey, buddy, you want to play with me? Oh no, what happened? Hey, don't bite that I wanna. My red bait. My red bait siya. My red bait.
Almost na makukuha mo na yung konti na lang.
May red bait siya. Red bait yung manta.
Konti na lang makukuha mo na. I-upload mo ba sa YouTube mo yan?
No.
Hindi.
Still marine at fishing life. No.
Sayang, malapit na. Konti na lang.
I can't.
Konti na lang.
I will make this.
Oh, mayroon pa dito.
One only. I want.
Makukuha naman yung kahit yellow lang yung ano.
I'll get this.
Pumasok ka kasi agad yun, nag-iipon pa tayo money.
I can catch it.
Bakit yun?
I can. It's so hard. It's so hard po.
Ayun na.
No. No, elephants here don't bite. Yes! Yes! Let's go! We caught it! Carry. Put it. Aquarium. You have to start a marine at aquarium. Then
Saan siya?
he's serious.
Yes.
It's, oh no. I need, oh no, it's
Ayun o.
Max.
Nakita ko na siya.
It's Max.
Max nga. Hindi, nandito siya. Nakita ko.
Yeah.
Ayun o.
It's look, it can attack zombie. It bought is
Ganda.
it